Hello everyone, Lexi here with McWane Science Center, and welcome to SciSparks. You may say that I'm full of hot air, but you might find today's episode uplifting. Going up. Humans have looked for ways to fly for, well, forever. A task that seemed impossible to most, with a surprisingly simple answer. Charles's law states that at a constant pressure, temperature and volume are directly proportional. This means if you increase the temperature, you increase the volume, or the amount of space it takes up. At room temperature, air molecules move around closer together. But when we add energy in the form of heat, the molecules absorb that energy, making them move faster and further apart. Let's see this in action by using the best piece of scientific equipment. This rubber balloon filled with room temperature air. If we increase the temperature, we increase the volume. This makes our balloon expand. If we decrease the temperature, we decrease the volume, making our balloon shrink. But how does that lift something that weighs over 1,300 pounds? When we increase the volume of a gas, it causes it to become less dense than the air around it. The molecules that are more dense will sink, while the molecules that are less dense will float. Increasing the temperature increases the volume of the gas, causing it to expand and become less dense than the cool air around it. This gives the balloon buoyancy, making it float. Charles's law made this possible, giving us the first human-carrying flight technology. This led to the first controlled aircraft and aviation as we know it today. Thank you for watching this episode of SciSparks. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave us a like, and to catch new episodes as soon as they're released, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.